it's me, Allegra. Happy holidays! Are you guys super excited that the holidays are here? I cannot believe it. I don't know why, but I just really cannot believe that it is now the holiday season. So I'm super excited. I spotted so many amazing makeup and holiday beauty gift sets that they have out now, and something that would really intrigue me that caught my eye is this beauty right here. This is the Sephora advent calendar, makeup and beauty advent calendar. So I thought I would unbox it with you all today. I'm super excited to see what's inside. I don't think I've ever opened a makeup advent calendar before. I know when I was little they had the advent calendar, you open the drawer, there would be like chocolate inside, but I've never seen something like this. This would make an amazing gift for yourself, or of course the loved one in your life, the beauty and makeup lover in your life. But look at how gorgeous it is. It has all these penguins all over it. I love the colors that they chose. This kind of, you know, usually everybody uses red, but this is so beautiful. And it says Frosted Party 24 surprises. So this is so flippin' adorable. They have these little penguins with glitter outfits on, skiing and doing all kinds of fun stuff. Oh my god, here they are in the igloo. So this is so cute. It really gets you in the mood just seeing how cute this is and how festive. So here it is. It's really, really big. I am in love with this. Oh my god, it's like a whole winter wonderland theme going on. The mountains, the snow, all kinds of good stuff. Oh, so let's see how it works here. Oh, no! Oh my god, guys, it opens up! Wow, it opens up into this huge winter wonderland. Oh my god, this is so nice. I never ever would have thought of this, or I don't even know how. I've never opened anything like this before, so this is so much fun. So let me hurry up and get into it because there is 24 surprises in here, so I know that this could take me all day, but let's see how it works, guys. So here, where's door number one? Oh, the numbers are all mixed up, so you actually have to look for your door. So I really like that. It's fun. It's like a little fun mystery. So here's door number 2, and door number 10 is over here. Here's door number 3. Door number 22 is up here. So I'm looking. Oh, here's door number 1. So let me go ahead and open it up. Guys, this is so much fun. Oh my god, I've never done anything like this before. This is the Sephora it looks like a lip gloss. Wow, Lip Stories. Wow, this is so nice. Wow. Oh my god, it's a beautiful Sephora lipstick. Oh my god, wow, I was not expecting that. And it has these beautiful fashion on it and like glittery outfit. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I'm really shocked. Wow. It's amazing. So let me go ahead and open day number 2. So day number 2 is all the way up here. So it's a little bigger. Oh my god, guys, how cute. Don't even tell me. Oh my god. Is this what I think it is? What is this? It's a Pillow Battle sizzling. It says fizzing star. So you put this in your bathtub, I believe, and then you can have a really nice bath. Oh my god, I should do that. I haven't had a bath in so long. I used to take baths every night, and I haven't done that in the longest time. This is so nice. Oh, it smells so nice. It's a little star bath bomb. It smells so good. It smells like, oh, it's really nice and fresh. So let's keep it moving, guys. This is so much fun. You gotta get one. This is fun. This is a lot of fun, guys. So here is day number 3. So in day number 3 is these Express Eye Wipes. Express Eye Makeup Remover Wipes from Sephora. So it's super awesome. So let's keep it moving. Now we gotta look for day 4. Here's day 5. Where's day 4? 22. Here's day 4. This is so cute. I could almost not even. Oh my god, what is it? Oh my god, Sephora Pineapple Nose Mask. Oh my god, oh, it's a pore perfecting. So it clears out your nose pores and your blackheads really good. So this is a pineapple pore mask. It probably smells so good. I'm not going to open it now, but that looks like it smells amazing. So let's keep it going. Where were we? We were at 3, 4, 5. Door 5, guys. Oh my god, look how cute. What is this? Let's have fun. What is it? All it says is let's have fun. What is it? It says like a surprise. Jelly fondant. Oh, melting shower jelly. I love showers, so this is awesome. I really want to open it. I'm going to take a shower tonight, so let me go ahead and open this so it won't. I gotta smell it. It smells so good. So, okay, let's get into day number 6. Where's day number 5? 20. Oh my god, guys, where is 6? Do you see it? Do you guys? Oh, here it is. Here's day number 6. Wow. Oh my god. Something red. A Sephora lip liner in red. Oh my god, I swear to god, I just had red lips on and I was thinking I wish I had a red lip liner and I can't find one. So this is really nice. I can't wait to wear that. So what was that? That was day number 6. So where is day number 7? Here it is. Oh my god, what is it? Oh, it's one of those hair ties. Oh my god, it's one of those hair ties. I always see people, I've never had one of these. I always see people using these and they must work good. I see everybody with them. So there you go. Now I look like all the other beauties out there. So you can put your hair up. Let's see how they work. I always think, does that thing work? It does work. It really does. And it's this really nice red color, so I love that. Perfect for the holidays. So guys, oh my god, let's keep it going. So we're already at day number 7. So let's go to day number 8. 7, 15. There's 9, 18. Oh, here it is. Ooh, 8 is big. 8 has a big door. This is 8. Look how cute. I can't get over these penguins. This is so cute. Ooh, what is it? Another eye makeup remover wipe. 2 of them from Sephora. So nice. So let's keep it going, guys. Here's day number 9. Not a big door, but let's see. Ooh, it's a really nice Sephora eyeshadow in a nice shimmery shadow. Like, use this to highlight all that good stuff. So that's day number 9. Now here's day number 10. Day number 10 is another fizzy, another bath fizzy. So perfect. So you can put 2. You can do 2 bath, put 2 in 1 bath. That's what I do. So let's keep it moving. That was 10. So here's 11. Ooh, another eye pencil. Oh, the other one's a lip pencil. So here is an eye pencil. That's really nice. Great size. Like it says, on the go size. So perfect. So that's 11. And then where's 12? Where are you at? 12. Oh, here's 12. 12 is inside this tiny little iced igloo. It actually says that on there, iced igloo. Ooh. Oh. Guys, it's a little penguin. It's one of the little penguins from the... says all over the box. Oh my god, I love this. Whoever came up with this penguin artwork it has big red lips. She has lashes on, everything. Oh my god, that is such a great design. I love that. So that was 12. So here's day number 13. Ooh, nail polish wipes. 2 nail polish. These are so great for travel, right? They're like little cute prepackaged amounts. So here's day 14. Another, now I'm ready for this, guys. This is a bath jelly in a pink one. This one is called Pillow Battle. So 14. I'm seeing the trend here now, guys. Oh, here's day number 15. Ooh, another mask. What is this one? Shea lip mask. Super awesome. 15. Where's 16? 16. Oh, a nail file. I need this too because I've been doing my nails lately, so that's pretty bomb. You need a nail file to do your nails, of course. So that's 16. Here's 17. Ooh, something shiny. Sticker. Oh, are these nail stickers? What are these? Some kind of sticker. They look like nail stickers. So that's really nice. I think that's nail stickers. 17. Let me know if you guys know what this is. Do you know what it is? Are they nail? Oh, you know what I think? I think you put them on your nail and then peel it off, and then there's going to be a star there, maybe something like that. Or maybe not. I don't know. Let me know, guys, if you know what that is, because I actually don't know what that is. So that's 17. And then where's 18? Here's 18 inside the little igloo, the cute little igloo. Ooh, oh, it's a lip. A lip. Like a lip jelly, I think this is. Oh, is this nail polish? Wow. Oh, it's nail polish. Pretty. Oh, this is really nice. It's like a little tiny mauve, pink mauve kind of color polish. Love that. I love painting my nails now. So guys, what day was that? Okay, that was 18. Here's 19. Oh, here's another mask. This one is a charcoal nose mask. I love charcoal masks. So here's the charcoal mask. Love that. That is 19. Here we are, 20. We're almost finished now, guys. Oh my god, another thing. Oh, look at this cute little mirror they gave. The little teeny tiny mirror with the little penguin girl on it. This is so cute. I love her lips. She's so cute. So then that was 20. So let's go to 21. Another mask. Another mask. This is a grape eye mask. So nice. So that's 21. All we gotta do is 22. And then we'll be 23. Where's 22, guys? I can't find it. Where is it? Oh, here it was hiding. It's like all the way up here in the North Pole. So, oh, another hair tie. This one is clear. So it's so cute. Love that. And that's 22. And now finally, guys, finally, we've made it to the final day of our makeup advent calendar. Oh, it's another lip. This is, I actually bought this. This is really good. I bought this in the store. It's the Watermelon Lip Balm. I have this already. I love it. So I think that's pretty much it. I opened all of the days on the calendar, guys. It's huge. Huge calendar. This is so pretty. I don't even, and festive. I wish I could just like put this under the tree or something. It's so cute. I can't get over it. All the sparkles, everything. Oh, it's 24. So there might be, I might have missed today. There might, because I only opened 23. Oh, here it is, guys, 24. I almost got missed out. They're not playing. 24 is this beautiful Sephora lipstick, liquid lipstick. So, oh my god. Pink tea cream lip stain. Yes, this is amazing. So, oh, they tell you, oh, okay, they tell you on the back, actually. If you want to cheat and you don't want to be surprised, you can read the back of your box and see what you're going to get. So this is at Sephora, guys. This is for the holiday season. If you wanted to get this for someone in your life, I think they will absolutely love it. That was so much fun. I truly cannot believe how much fun that was. So the packaging is so beautiful. It looks so nice in your house. And you know, it's not like traditional advent calendar. It's just 24 surprises. So you don't actually have to start like December 1st and things like that. Although you could, but you could always just give it as a nice holiday gift because it's so pretty, it's so festive, and I think anybody would love this. They would be over the moon. I just had the best time, so I highly recommend this. And all the Sephora products are so good. They really are amazing quality, the Sephora brand products. So I'm going to be putting together a little gift set of today's items for one of you all to take home with you. So there's going to be a good amount of goodies in the package for you. It's going to be a surprise for you as well. So there's going to be at least 5 or 6 items in from today's unboxing for one of you beauties. So just comment below if you'd like to win some surprises from the advent calendar, a little holiday bundle that I'm going to send out to you. So just be a subscriber to my channel and just comment below if you'd like to take part in our little holiday giveaway for today. I have lots of holiday giveaways coming, so I can't wait to show you beauties. I have some really great stuff coming up in future videos that'll be out soon, that some really great holiday stuff for you. So that's pretty much it. I hope you're all having a wonderful, healthy, and happy holiday season. And thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It helps me out so much. Don't forget you can purchase my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. It is available on Amazon or on my website. I'll link it below. But it's just an amazing beauty mist for glowing skin, longer lasting makeup, and it's just filled with all kinds of all-natural vitamins and minerals and all kinds of good stuff for your skin. So it makes an amazing gift as well if it's not for yourself. So again, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to pop in and unbox my advent calendar today, my makeup advent calendar with you all. So I hope you're all doing amazing, and I'll see you soon. Bye, love you.